All right, so yesterday we talked about discounts, and today we're going to talk about markups. And in this scenario, it's semi-realistic because I actually did work at an appliance store, and the discount I got was purchasing things from the store at cost, and I'll explain what that is in the problem. So it says Mr. Anderson used to work at an appliance store, which is true. When I went to college in Bemidji, I worked at an appliance store delivering appliances. It was pretty fun. His employee discount was that he got to buy things from the store at cost, meaning what the store pays for the item from their supplier. Because I mean, this is how it works. The store buys, let's just say, a stove oven from their supplier for $600. Then they're going to probably sell it at the store for like maybe $950, and then they'll make a $350 profit. The cost price was $600, though the cost that the store paid for it. So that was my discount. Was if I wanted something from the store, I could pay what the store paid for it. So I'm not paying anything extra than they would have. All right. So in this problem, it says Mr. Anderson bought a new refrigerator for $750. The store sells it to the public for $1,050. What is the markup on this fridge? And what is the markup? What is the percent markup the store puts on this fridge? So if we look at the first question, it says, what is the markup on this fridge? Okay, and that's just asking what price did they add on to the original to get to the new one. So we can just find the difference between these two numbers, and that'll get that answer for us. If we do 1,050, find the difference, which means to subtract 750 between 1,050 and 750, you'll get 400. So it's a $400 markup. They added $400 onto the original cost price. Sorry, handwriting is getting bad all of a sudden, but you guys are used to that. All right. Then it says, what is the percent markup the store puts on the fridge? Well, if you remember yesterday with discounts, those were just word problems for percent decrease. Okay, a discount is just a percent decrease on the cost of something. So you guessed it, a markup is just a percent increase. Okay, so to find that again, you just have to figure out whatever the percentage is from the new price or the old price to the new price. So to figure that out, we have to find the difference between this, which was $400. So 400 over the original, which was 750. So sorry, I think the last few sentences I said were kind of jumbled. So remember, the formula for percent increase or decrease is the amount it changed from the original to the new, which was $400 over the original, will help us figure out what that percent increase was. So if I go 400 divided by 750, I think it's not a very nice decimal, so I'm going to do it in the calculator. So 400 divided by 750. It's not terrible, but 0.53. Since we're dealing with a percentage or whatever percent increase, I'm just going to round it off to two decimal places. So I'm going to round it off to 53%. So I'm going to say I should do the roughly equal sign then because I'm rounding it off. 0.53. And remember, to get that to a percentage, you just take your decimal and you multiply it by 100, which moves it over 2 spots to the right, which is 53. So our answer would be 53% markup.